Salam everyone, welcome back to Learn Azerbaijan today. In today's episode, I will talk about months in Azerbaijani. But before we get started, I want to mention our one-on-one Azerbaijan lessons. If you're interested in personalized language instruction, please check out the first link in description below to apply and see if our lessons are the right fit for you. Let's get started. First of all, yanvar. 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 It means January and it's the first month of the year. Second one is fevral. 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 It means February. And next one is Mart. 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 Mart is March. It's the beginning of spring. Another one is April. April. April means April, and May. May. May means May and end of the spring. June. June. June means June, and June is beginning of the summer. Yule. 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 Yule is July, and August. 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 It means August and end of the summer. Another one is, September. 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 It means September and beginning of the fall. And October. 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 It means October. And November. 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 It's November and end of the fall. And last one is December. 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 It means December and end of the year and beginning of the winter. That's it. If you're interested in personalized language instruction, please check out the first link in description below to apply and see if our lessons are the right fit for you. Thank you. Sağ olun and görüşene dek.